What's up, Radar Cars family? Today we're going to be comparing the 2022 WRX versus the 2022 Nissan 400Z. Yes, these are two completely different cars, but you know what? They're fun to talk about, and we analyze cars here. So if you came to complain, sit down, buckle up, calm down, and enjoy the ride. Also, if you don't know that Car Guys cross shop Subarus, Mustang GTs, BMWs, GT350s, and Nissans, and many, many more, then you're just a nerd. Nerd! All the pictures I just showed were my cars. Let's do work. Okay, the lineup. Under the WRX's hood is a turbocharged 2.4-liter flat 4-cylinder engine. It's available with either a 6-speed manual or an automatic that Subaru says will shift like butter. Every WRX has all-wheel drive standard and has the reliability of Subaru stamped on it. The new 400Z will have a twin turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 in manual or 9-speed automatic. Kudos to both for keeping the manual options in for those of us who like to row our own boats. Row, row, row your boat gently down the... No! Okay, looks. While the 400Z has an absolutely stunning rear end and profile, I just can't get over the anime face. It looks like a Pokemon that got hit in the face with a shovel. Pikachu? I mean, come on, look at the fierceness of the WRX. That hood scoop, aggressive front grille, and tons of air intakes, fog lights, those sharp-looking LED eyes. This thing is ravenous looking. I love the aggressive and rugged rear end with that ferocious diffuser. The Rex just looks like it can handle anything you throw at it. While the Z... Pika! Winner, WRX. Drivetrain. The WRX is all-wheel drive all day long. You just can't beat that grip, even on rain, snow, dirt, sleet. I do miss my 2017 STI Limited Edition ever since I got rid of her for my 2018 Mustang GT and then my Shelby GT350. And even with these Ford masterpieces, I always did miss that STI traction. These cars corner on Velcro, and I expect the WRX to be no different. Winner, WRX. Excuse me, I burped. We men do these things. Price. The WRX is going to start around $30 large, while the Nissan Pokemon is going to start around $35,000. Not too much of a difference. However, you can expect a heavy markup on the Nissan. According to excellent field research done by the one and only Mike J Autos and Stuff YouTube channel, be sure to check him out, dealers are already pitching a whopping $10,000 markup on the 400Z. Well, you know there will not be a shred of markup on the WRX. Not a penny. Winner, WRX. Power. The WRX has 271 horsepower, while the Nissan Emoji has 400 horsepower. Okay, so Nissan does win here big time. Actually huge time, with 129 extra ponitas. But still, you know as well as I do that the WRX is a proven moddable platform, and if you throw on a downpipe, a fuel pump, a cold air intake, and an access port with a Pro Tune, for just a couple $1,000, the WRX is going to be a lot more competitive. Will it beat the Z? No, but with a front-mounted intercooler, updated turbo, injectors, headers, exhaust. Anyway, that brings me to my next point. Modability. There are a hell ton of reasonably priced WRX modifications, ringland failure notwithstanding. The Rex is just super fun to mod. There will be far more that you can do with the WRX. You can do it cheaper, and you can fix it more affordably when you do have ringland failure. Winner, WRX. Transmission. Both of these masterpieces come with a manual option. However, if you get the top-of-the-line GT version of the WRX, you get the CVT with no option for a manual. I'm giving this one to Nissan just to punish Subaru. But let's not be too quick to pass judgment. Let's give the CVT a chance. I bet with the upgraded performance, we're all going to be pleasantly surprised. We better be, Subaru. We better be. Winner, 400Z. The weight. You can hear that turbo spooling up on your WRX as early as this spring, while the 400Z is going to arrive somewhere in mid to late August. Winner, Rex. Got kids? Not in the 400Z, you don't. They get left behind. But you want to throw your little rapscallions and all their toys and refrigerator and kitchen sink into your WRX and go get ice cream and then groceries? You can do that. The WRX has you covered with its 4 doors and copious amounts of trunk space and cabin space. I can tell you firsthand that my STI was like an apartment building compared to my subsequent Mustangs. You could literally walk around blindfolded for 30 seconds before you feel anything in that car. It's like a gazebo on 4 wheels. And if it starts snowing on the way to the grocery store, the WRX is drivable all year round. And on my STI, you throw Blizzaks on there and you can go to the racetrack in the snow. Although to me, every car is drivable and every motorcycle rideable all year round, even up here in the Northeast winters. Don't think so? Then you're a little sissy pants. That's right, little sissy pants. Or was it you're rich enough to afford a summer car? Whatever. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little fun comparison. Am I going to get the WRX? No, I'm going to wait for the STI. But by the time that rolls around, we're probably going to have the S650, which I will be one of the first to receive, God willing. And speaking of God, here are some words of wisdom. I do have a brand new vehicle reveal coming soon, so keep it locked into Rated R Cars. The WRX has been catching a lot of flack, but I think it's going to come out on top when compared to the 2022 Nissan Z. Feel free to share your mean comments below, such as, "I can't believe you're comparing the 400Z to the WRX. You're stupid. You're a moron." And all those kinds of things below. And let's see how many thumbs down we can get on this video. But in reality, you want a practical, all year round, fun car, you can't really beat the WRX. That's my 2 cents. See you in the next one. You little sissy pants. You're a sissy pants.